How do you join a Discord server on mobile? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can join a Discord server on mobile. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically join a Discord server on mobile, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is you have to go ahead and then actually open Discord. Now there are two types of server: public server and private server. And from mobile, what you can do is you can actually only join private servers, or if you want to join a public server, you need to have a link. So unless you have the link on the mobile version, you will not be able to join that server. You can tap the plus icon over here and then you should be able to see already have an invite. Tap on join a server and you should be able to paste the invite link and then only join the server. Unless you paste it, you will not be able to join a particular server. But don't worry, what you can actually do is on mobile, if you want to join a public server, you can open discord.com from your browser. And when you open discord.com from your browser, by default, again, the web version of mobile is not going to have it. So you need to tap the three dots option next to your browser, enable the option known as desktop site. So unless you don't enable desktop site, you will not be able to actually join a public server. Now here you can just tap on open Discord in your browser and Discord will open it in our browser. Now if it tries to open in the app, just try to refresh it a couple of times and see if that helps, and once done, you should be able to go ahead and then join a public server from the desktop version of the mobile application. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.